friends, you are welcome again to Brain Rotini. This test is designed to check how sharp your brain is. There are 3 levels, such as easy level, medium level, and hard level. The rule is that you have given 10 points already. Then if you find an answer, 1 point will be added. If not, 2 points will be deducted. So find answer sharply to win the game. If you score greater than 0, you will pass the test, otherwise fail the test. You are requested to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started.
Let's go!
Stay calm and observe close line is running fossa way up. The clock is ticking, only a few seconds are left. Think fast and make your move every second matters. Most people get this one wrong. Only sharp minds will spot it. Quick list 1 tricks. Almost everyone looks easy. It's not. Are you really sure about your answer? Comment your answer before time ends the video. If you need, you find the correct one. Answer quickly before time runs out. Ready to challenge yourself again? You can do this. Just stay focused on it. It's easy if you look carefully. Focus properly. Got this. Don't overthink. Stay calm and observe close line. Well done, my friends. Are you enjoying the video? Let's move toward medium level. Only sharp minds will spot it quickly. Almost everyone looks easy. It's not. Are you really sure about your answer? Comment your answer before time ends the video. If you need, you find the correct one. Answer quickly before time runs out. Ready to challenge yourself again or horror-side quickle? Level up and test your brain. This one is harder than Befect's level is officially unlocked. These are the final seconds. You can do this. Just stay focused on it. It's easy if you look carefully. Focus properly, got this. Don't overthink. Finally, let's go towards hard level. If you are doing well, hit the subscribe button. Stay calm and observe close-line is running faster. The clock is ticking, only a few seconds are left. Only a few seconds are left. Think fast. Only sharp minds will spot it. Quick list one tricks. Almost everyone looks easy. It's not. The clock is ticking. Only a few seconds are left. Think fast and make your move every second matters. Most people get this one wrong. You can do this. Just stay focused on it. Focus properly. Got this. Don't overthink. Only sharp minds will spot it quickly. The game is end up now. How was the test, by the way? If you have any question, ask freely in the comment section. Thanks for watching.